Hey guys, and welcome back to another diecast review. Today we are going to look at the RLC edition 2017 Ford Raptors. I have two of them in front of us, and I actually have one from the premium line, so we can kind of compare it. I'm not going to open this one up because I will do a separate video with the premium ones. This is just for show for now, just so we have a little bit of a reference. So let's crack these guys right open. I've only done this once before. I am super excited. By the way, I do have two Ford Raptors. I was able to get another one recently through a trade. Wow, I can't believe I'm gonna do this today. Wow. There's my number 6,888 out of 10,000. I do have another one that is a higher number, but the number actually means something to me, so I left that one, even though it was a slight higher number, but it meant something to me. Wow. Okay, we are going to be doing this somehow. All right, let's take a look at this here. Oh, really excited about this one. Oh, let's take a look at the number real quick, right? 5,189. Wow, look at that. Really do like this. I am going to keep the packaging just in case I want to put it back in, but let's see. One of these ways. Okay, anyway, let me open them up and we will take a closer look. I cannot believe that I just opened an RLC vehicle. It is amazing. This color is amazing. Let me get this other one out. I'm struggling with the front screw. Let me go get my drill. Still struggling. All right, so we got both of them freed and ready to go. These are the two RLC releases. I believe this one came out in 2018, or it could have came out in 2019. I don't recall 100%. This one is guaranteed to be a 2019. Actually, no, I'm sorry. I take that back. Both of them are 2019s. Just because I have two of these and I have two of those. But here is a look at the Raptor from the premium line. As you can see, we are going to take a look at the rear details here. So here is the RLC version of it. So we could see here first that the hood opens up. That is something that the premium line does not have. Like I said, we are going to do a separate video on the premium ones. But today's video is going to be mainly focused on the RLC, just to show you guys the details all around are pretty much the same, and we will highlight the differences in the near future when we do a video on the premium line. But the RLC line today the vehicle has all of the same features except for this and this. The RLC version of it has an opening hood and the tailgate comes down, which is a pretty cool feature. Very, very nicely detailed. Obviously, these models cost a little more. If I'm not mistaken, they were probably maybe $24.99 for both of these here, plus shipping, if I wasn't mistaken. Obviously, once after you get them onto eBay and Amazon, and maybe your local collector sells them at the hobby, the toy fair, or whatever it may be, the prices go up, mainly because these are very limited. The Blue Raptor, they've only made 10,000 of them. Same thing with the Golf Raptor. Both of them are going about $50 to $60 a piece on eBay right now. Pick them up while you can, because once the price goes up on them, you're going to end up regretting it. Like myself with the Candy Stripe Gasser. when it was in the 200s, I passed on it, say, you know, maybe the price will go up. And today, when you look at it, the price did not go down, it went up. So definitely pick up whatever you can now before the prices skyrocket. So let's take a closer look at it. These wheels, this whole combination on the blue one is amazing. Let me tilt this slightly for you guys. The combination of the wheels, the truck itself, the interior, everything comes right together, and you get this beautiful, very nicely detailed truck. You got what does that say on the back? It says Ford Raptor down the back of the truck there. I'm sorry, let's see if I can correct that a little bit. There you go. And I've been waiting the longest time to make this video, and I really hate myself for doing that, because I really want to add these to my display, and that is definitely going to happen very soon. Let's take a look at the engine. The engine is very nicely detailed. It is chrome, but you do have very nice detail in there, and the interior also very nicely done. Hot Wheels did a very nice job with this one. This is the must-have. If they make a red one like this, I am gonna lose everything. I'm just gonna lose it. The wheels themselves are pretty cool. I believe these wheels came out in 2018, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I could be mistaken. If I'm giving out some bad information, please let me know in the comment section below. Ford is the best truck. Please let me know in the comment section below that I'm wrong, because I know I'm wrong. Ford sucks. But the Raptor is seriously one of my most favorite trucks ever. It's on the list. I'm not an F-150 fan, but the Raptor definitely gives them a little spot somewhere in there. But this one, definitely, if somebody from Hot Wheels is watching, please make another one like this in a different color. Do one in green. I don't care. Just make it look nice. The paint job is fantastic, and it's like a mirror. Looking at it, it's like a mirror, and it's just definitely another one, please. All right, let's look at the Golf real quick. Same thing, details all around. One key difference between these two RLCs here, as you can see in the front, you got Ford is highlighted over here. But other than that, you got the headlight detail, you got nice hood scoop in there. You also got a nicely detailed interior. It looks like it's the same, almost the same interior color, but it seems that the Golf has a little darker interior color. There's a look down the side of it. Now, see these wheels here? They kind of gave it a very nice red color. And over here they went all around with orange. After with the Golf logo all over it, looks fantastic too, but not as fantastic as the blue. We'll look at the rear here. You got the detail all around again. This one here, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe the Golf sold out faster than the blue one, if I'm not mistaken. Once again, if I'm wrong with something, please let me know in the comments below. And that is a look at these two fantastic Ford Raptors from Hot Wheels. They are RLC exclusive, meaning if you go to a store, you will not find these. It's only online. Someone's probably going to resell it for like 60 bucks. Don't get mad about pricing. It is what it is. And if you do manage to pick up these cool castings off of RLC website, you're in luck, because it is getting more and more difficult. Oh, I forgot to do this. I forgot to pop this and open this. And there's a look inside the engine. Let's put the tailgate up. And look forward to seeing the premium line video That's going to be separate, and these will make a guest appearance in there as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to do more and more videos. I got a lot of stuff lined up, guys, and I am very sorry that I have not been uploading. But like how I said, I got a lot of stuff that's coming up. Make sure that you follow along, because as you know, time flies, and before you know it, there's new stuff being released and you fall behind, and next thing you know, you are a few years behind on videos and people are wondering if you're alive. But thank you guys so much for the support. Let's make 2020 a great year for everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.